Hey guys, it's Jungle87 here, and today in this video I'm gonna be doing something very different for you guys. I'm gonna be giving you guys free member accounts. Yes, that's what I said. Free member accounts. Yes. I have quite a few of them. And I was collecting them like all over the web, but because I wanted to get some for you guys. So yeah, I got a bunch of free member accounts for you guys. Some of them are member, some of them are non-member, and a few of them are suspended because I tried to log on to some of them. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reviewing each and every one. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, wait, what are we doing? We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts to review today. So, okay, I'm just going to, like, show you the accounts. Okay, so the first account is Silly Bunny 88718, and the password is Blue Clouds. Blue Clouds is all lowercase, but see here. We're sorry, this account does not have sufficient privilege to play at this time. So yeah, this account got suspended, I think. So yeah, that's the first one. The next one we have is this one. Good kid. 9877, and the password is Jolly Lolly, like all lowercase Jolly Lolly. This one is a non-member account though, so yeah. I think Silly Bunny works though, but this is just a Sorry. So this is the account. These accounts have been broadcasted and webbed like a bunch of times, so there might be other people playing on the accounts. So that's another one. Another one is TTTTTLA, and the password is lowercase FDSAJK. That's it. Okay, next one. Okay, let's see. Actually, I haven't gone on this account yet, so I don't know if it's member or if it's non-member. This is another non-member one. Maybe all of them are like member. Okay, next one we have is iLooney, and then the password is lowercase IGGY2002. Okay, I think. Oh wait, let me try that again. Okay, so it's lowercase I. It's actually lowercase IZZY2002. Okay. Ugh. iLooney is suspended too. Okay. But that account works. It's just suspended, I think. So, that is is, I think, all of the accounts other than the ones that, like, are suspended, I think. But, I'm sorry, if, oops, I just wrote my account papers. I'm sorry if, like, not, if, like, any of, like, all the accounts are just, non-member. I'm sorry, I was told in, like, the webs that I searched them on that some of them were member, like, Silly Bunny and iLooney are definitely member. Those, I think, are members, so, yeah. But, yeah, so those are the those are the free Animal Jam accounts that I have given away today. Oh yeah. The other 2 accounts, I don't know if you guys remember those accounts, but there's like these other 2 accounts that I put away for, oh, that looks cute, that I put away for like giveaway. Those are still up for a giveaway. Yes, those are still up for a giveaway. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys about this. AJHQ. Here, I'll read you the article for it. In the last Jamaa Journal, AJHQ challenged jammers to adopt 500,000 pet pandas. Jammers went above and beyond this challenges by adopting over 85,000 of the adorable new pets. Thanks to the hard work of jammers all over Jamaa, AJHQ will be able to adopt a real panda at a local zoo. Click on the right or the panda banner around Jamaa to see a video of Animal Jam's adopted panda. I think we, actually, no, I think we talked about that already. Oops. I think I remember another video where we talked about that. Oops, guys. Yeah, I think there was another video where we talked about that. But yeah. So those are the giveaway accounts for today. I'm sorry if my videos in the past haven't been like that long. It's just that I haven't been like, I haven't like had very many subjects to, oop, one of my videos uploaded. Publish. Yeah, so that was the video that I made the other time. And goodbye. But yeah, anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope these free Animal Jam accounts come in useful to you. And anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and do all that crazy stuff. And this is goodbye from Jungle 87. Bye, guys.